Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Question. Do you know about Patreon? We have been a member of Patreon for a couple of years now, and for some reason, and I don't quite understand it, participation in Patreon is limited. I want to thank my Patreons who have come through for me. But I was wondering if you knew what Patreon is. Patreon is a very simple system by which you can support a channel, a creator, craftsperson, an artist, sort of like in the medieval times when a patron would support an artist financially while they were creating their art and became established. So, there's a link down below if you want to participate in Patreon, and I really appreciate it if you do, because that will help keep things going here. In the future, I'm hoping to add some special bonuses for my patrons, such as making tools, making things, and making them available to my patrons at a special price. Or if I happen to come across something that I want to share only with my patrons, not out here in the world of YouTube at first. So it's sort of a way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. And that's about it. I just wanted to know if you knew what Patreon is and how it affects us. For the price of a cup of coffee once a week, if all of you help me with the price of 1 cup of coffee a week, I have a lot of coffee, but it would keep the channel going and growing, and we could do new things, bigger things. So I invite you to subscribe to Patreon and support the channel. That's about it for today. As always, head out to your shop and go make some shavings. Walter out.